Photography, for me, has always been a way to find calm in a chaotic world. My switch to Mac was also informed by the need to bring calm to my digital creative life. All was great, but slowly that feeling of chaos returned as the software we use to organize our work grew into an overburdening, endless array of menus and icons. So software. I have cards that I need to move to my computer. I want to rename them. I want the type of responsive interface that's only possible when an app is built just for Mac, like native momentum scrolling, swipe navigation, pinch to zoom. I want to organize. I want an interface whose lines we're obsessed over as much as the work it displays. I want to decide where my files live, and I want to see their thumbnails even when my drives are stored away. So I'll save a reference catalog. That's it. Nothing else. Done.